In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a section view of a part and a detail view. And I'm using part number 6, lower die 1 outer ring. It's part of the button maker project. I'm going to start out by going to my part. I want to reorient this I would like a different front view. You notice that right now it's displaying the front view, but it's oriented. I'd like to rotate it 90 degrees to have this part facing up. So I'm going to rotate the part. I'm going to select this menu here. It's called the context menu. I'm going to go to set current view as front, and now if you notice that this is my new front view. So I'm going to create a drawing, a new drawing. I'm going to place my base view, my front view. I'm going to change the scale to 2 to 1. I'm going to place my front view here. I'm going to project a top view and isometric view. Right mouse button, hit create. See, I'm going to open up this view, and I'm going to change it to shaded. Hit OK. I'm going to create my section view of this part, but before I do that, I'm going to create my center lines. I'm going to choose this command called center mark. I'm going to choose the outer circle, and it places my center mark on my view. I'm going to hit escape so I could grab the line, click on it, and I'm going to stretch these lines out a little bit. So that I could pick the lines when I'm dimensioning, and also so I could pick them when I'm creating my section view. So I'm going to go back to place views. I'm going to select section view, and I'm going to pick this view. I'm going to the red line, a dotted line around my view. I'm going to select that, and so I could pick that view. I'm going to draw a line on this center line that I created. I'm going to pick this line there. And pick it there. And I'm going to hit continue. Let's zoom out. And you notice that I could place my view if I drag it this way, the direction of the arrows change. So I'm going to place it over here to the right. And you notice that there's this line with 2 arrows on it, designated A, and the same here, section AA. So I'm looking at the part cut in half, looking at it in this direction, and this is what it looks like when it's sliced in half. You notice that these cross-hatched areas indicate that the material is sliced in half. It's you're looking at the inside of the part, and it's marked section AA. I'm going to add a center line on this section view. I'm going to go to annotate, and I'm going to pick this center line tool here. Zoom in, and I'm going to hover over this line, this side of the part, until I get this green dot. It tells me it's the center of the part. I'm going to click on there and drag across, and I'm going to find the same center point on the other side of the part. I'm going to click there. Now there's my center line. Now if I hit escape to exit out of the command, my center line disappears, and it can be frustrating because every time you draw it, it disappears. But you have to do one additional thing. Once I'm going to draw the line over again. I'm going to click on the center here, and then I have to click somewhere out here, and that ends the command. I hit escape, and the line stays. I'm going to stretch these out just a little bit. And I'm going to create my detail. So I'd like to dimension this small feature. It's a small notch, but it's much too small to add dimensions at this scale. So I'm going to go back to place views, and I'm going to add a detail. I'm going to choose the view, and it's this view here, and I'm going to position my cursor here in the center of the detail, and it allows me to select an area, a circular area. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to zoom out. And you notice it lets me drag around this new view, so I could place it. I'm going to place it, zooming out. I'm going to place my view right here. And there's my detail B. You notice that there's a circle here with a B, and then this is the detail B. And so that's my detail, and I could dimension it here, but even here it's a little small, so I'm going to double click on the pink line, and I'm going to change the scale. I'm going to go up to 5:1, hit OK. And it's a little bit bigger, and I could dimension it here, though it's